iPhone 15 Pro clear case with MagSafe. I love that they don't use plastic wrap anymore and that they use like this little sticker here to keep in touch the $50 clear case. They've made this easier to open. I remembered when it first came out for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, this thing was a hassle and it broke and stuff like that, but now it's much easier. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. And here's the iPhone 12 Pro Max clear MagSafe case for comparison. Same shiny whiteness. Oh. Let's do the sniff test real quick. What does a new clear MagSafe case smell like? Smells like my bad morning breath, because I haven't brushed my teeth yet before recording this video. To be honest, it doesn't smell like anything, which is surprising because the box itself smells like a brand new car. Putting it on. Ba-blam! Ta-da! Goes on real easy, real smooth. Look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. This is what the bottom of it looks like, just so you can see. So you can swipe up easily. However, my one issue is that the sides are so raised, but that side right there, it hurts going across it back and forth. Back and forth. And then from the top too. Because like if you have to swipe up from the top, you have to like go in. This is very interesting. Yeah, I guess it was always on the iPhone 12 Pro Max too. I guess I got used to it. So this is the side. How do the buttons feel? Super easy to press. No problems at all whatsoever. Up, down. No problems. So like just to try. Volume up, volume down, no problems. My action button still works. I have it set to flashlight for my action button. So when I'm walking around in the dark because of the baby, I can just turn on the flashlight. The action button is a little bit cumbersome to be up there, to be honest, especially with the case. Because then you end up pressing both the action button and the power button at the same time. So maybe, hopefully, Apple moves the action button more to mid-phone because it's easier for the middle finger there than it is to go all the way up with your pointer finger there. So far, very easy. Now let's check the weight of it. I am curious about the weight. 30 grams. Huh. Hey Siri, how many grams in a pound?
1 pound is 453.59 grams.
Almost 10% of a pound for this case. That is crazy. The phone itself is 189 grams. So you put the case on and it becomes 218 grams. 218 divided by 456 grams for a pound is 47% of a pound. So it's almost, you got half a pound of phone here, which is incredible. In your pocket. Then you include your headphones, then you include your wallet, then you include your keys. Everyone's walking around with probably at least a pound of stuff in their pockets, which is crazy to think about. And this is just so you can see the inside of what it looks like on the back as well. So this is the front, completely smooth and clear white. Inside, it's just a bunch of inscriptions that says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, recycling information, iPhone, and MagSafe. And let's see if there's an animation on the screen when you put it on, because when you put it on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it comes up. Okay, ready? Moment of truth. No more MagSafe animation? Or does the phone need to be unlocked? Let's try it again, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna unlock the phone. So there's no more MagSafe animation, but check it. When you put it on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, see? The clear MagSafe case animation comes up. I'm gonna do the pocket test for y'all while in my pajamas, just so you can see. It goes in nice and easy. Now you can say, yeah, that's an iPhone in your pocket. And that's why I love the MagSafe clear case as opposed to the silicone case, because the silicone case does not go in your pocket this easily. If you got value from this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button.